how's it going? We are checking out the ZALMAN Z11 Neo case. All black and sleek. I personally think it's pretty cool looking case in person. Stainless steel finish, but it's plastic. So yeah, it's more of a visual part for it. Here we're looking at the hard drive bays. We have about a total of 6. And it's just optional SSDs in the hard drive, so that's pretty cool. If you want to use it as a server, just one of that crazy stuff, games and security, and you know, um, it's a good stuff. Wait, I don't know why my video lags when I. Oh, Jesus. So yeah, we are checking it out now with the GTX 1050 2 gig. That's the low profile one. I just used it in that one because I bought it for, I believe, I bought it for another computer. But simple build, nice case. Nothing fancy on this build. Just something I wanted to put together. Something I'm gonna be using, and I mean not using. I'm gonna be building over and over for a bit. And got a good deal on these cases. Company is going out of business. JK.